load beast. Right leg under switch into left arm crab reach. Return to crab into right leg full scorpion. Left leg under switch to right leg side kick through. And then right leg under switch to loaded beast. Okay, so we're going to go left leg under switch to right arm